Biavin. Kota na ko ga.
Hello, my brother. How are you doing?
I don't know, man. We are fine.
How did you see the death of our brother?
My brother
that just passed on.
It's like the question you asked me for the first time. You say, how am I doing? I'm not doing fine. I'm not okay. I'm not happy. In fact, I diverse. The death of this our beloved brother is very, very painful. It's unbelievable.
No, it's so pathetic.
I'm not happy at all, at all.
What actually happened to? What led to his death?
My brother, I can't tell. But according to what I heard, that the young man in the night, at night, that he came out to urinate, just like that, he fell down and passed on, just like that.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Where exactly did he die?
The guy came back from China, okay. He returned from China to Biafra land, here in Eziagu, just in his father's compound. All of a sudden, he came out to urinate outside. He fell down and just passed. That is all.
Here in Enugwu state?
Yes, of course.
Is it that he is being manipulated or what?
Yes, I believe that. I believe that because he's not sick. The young man is not sick. So, in fact, my brother, I'm very, very sad. I'm not happy for what I saw today.
Now, look at the distance we have trekked to go,
what
come and bury him.
Me, my brother.
Why are they burying him inside the bush?
According to their traditional ruler, they said that if anybody died, even if he's a priest or if he's a king or anything, that is their custom to bury somebody inside the forest. That this place is their burial ground, which I'm not happy. The guy, the young man in question, has in fact a very good investment in his compound, a place where they can lay him. But I was very, very surprised to see him here in the forest, and I'm very, very surprised and asking, is it an evil forest that made to bury one of our own? It's very, very painful.
It's really pathetic, my brother.
I'm telling you.
What actually led to that decision from the community to be burying their people inside the burial ground?
I don't know, my brother, because I'm not from this this town.
Tom, you need to see something.
I'm not from this town. You understand? But they say that this place is their burial ground. And it's very, very painful to bury somebody
that has achieved something.
Oh my God!
That has built a house.
Oh my God!
Very mighty house. I saw the house when we were coming. I saw it.
You see the house?
It's really so bad.
He just finished his own house. He just finished his own building, and even built
a mansion for the father. And in all these two houses, they can't bury him in any of them.
He built it for the father. All of a sudden, that is how the young man just died. I'm very, very painful. It's painful, my brother. I'm not happy.
It's so bad.
It's so bad. So bad.
May his gentle soul rest in the perfect peace of our Lord.
He said, we are Biafrans, and there is nothing that Zoo can do that can make us to slide back,
retreat or surrender,
no retreat,
or capitulate.
Neither Biafra or death.
We are not capitulating.
Neither Biafra or death.
I can see that even you are a resolute Biafran.
Even if they buried us in a river or any place, we don't want to know. All we are here is to do what? To make sure that our brother is blessed. We give him the final respect that we know that
is actually good.
May
I trust Biafrans.
May the soul of our beloved brother
rest in peace.
Rest in perfect peace. Iseee.
That's good.
Iseee. Thank you, my brother.